All right, guys, today we're working on my SB1174 Frontier Snowblower. We're going to do the maintenance for it. So you need chain lube, you need some gear oil, gloves, grease gun, WD-40, and a wrench. Let's get to it. All right, first things first, there are 7 grease points. The first 2 we're gonna hit, one on the inside of the chain right there, and the second on the left side of the unit, same spot right there. The next 2 are on the back left of the machine. If you're looking back at the machine, one is right here, and the other one you come in from here. I have not been able to get into that one. They do not make it grease gun friendly, so I struggle with that one. The next one is right here. Come in from the back, connect. Next, we're going to the PTO shaft. And the last grease zerk is on the top end of the PTO shaft. All right, next, we're gonna lubricate the chain with some chain lube. All right, next, takes a 24mm socket. We need to check the gearbox oil. Get that loose. Gearbox oil should be just at the bottom threads, and it is. Leaking out is good. That means we are full. I should change it, but well, that's pretty much it for maintenance. I do like to spray some WD-40 on this guy, on the chute, just to make sure she spins nice for the year. Thanks for following along. All that's left is hook up my hydraulic hoses. We're ready to blow some snow. We'll be ready for the big winter we have ahead of us. If you haven't already, click like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.